Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Venmo app not loading. Firstly, check for outages and network issues. System outage. Verify if Venmo is experiencing a non-service outage or server-side problem by checking the down detector Venmo status page. Next is check your internet connection. Disable your Wi-Fi and use cellular data to see if the connection improves. Next, what you can do is turn off any active VPNs as Venmo's security protocols often block connections from Macs or public networks. Next, you can do is update the app. You can update the app from Google Play Store or App Store. After you update the app, you can completely close the app and restart your device to clear temporary glitches or log out and back in. Thirdly, what you can do is clear app data or reinstall. You can do is long press the Venmo icon, tap app info, go to storage and tap clear cache and clear data. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.